Today, we are going to show you how you can do a compression test on a used boat to make sure you're getting a good engine. Bert has his brand new, old, new boat with a 1995 Mercury 225 on the back of it. We need to do a compression test to make sure that this is a good engine. Tell us what a compression test is, how to do it, and what tools we need to use it.
The compression test is going to tell you whether you've got equal compression in each cylinder. If you have equal compression within 10% of each other, you have a decent motor. This motor should have, I think I saw it's 110 to 115 is the average for these all 3-liter Mercuries. So we're actually going to see what we have for compression.
All right, how do we do it?
All right, well, I'm going to screw this adapter into the spark plug hole. And you're going to get up there. We'll start up at the top here.
Tell me what to do. Also, Bert's using Snap-on tools because he's a Gucci boy, but you can also get these tools.
No.
Oh, no?
The box says Snap-on, but if you look at the gauge, it says Matco. So it's a Frankenstein set for a Frankenstein boat.
I love it. That's perfect. But you can also get one of these sets from like Harbor Freight. We'll link some below.
Back in the day, this is actually John Reed's compression set.
All right, tell me what I need to do.
All right, spin over it. You're going to go pull that out of gear, pull the shift driver back to neutral. All right, now you're going to go like 4 revolutions. Go ahead. We are going to call that 105.
Now, here's a question. Is this bad for the impeller?
Yeah. I mean, as much as we're spinning it over, yeah, you need lubrication going into the impeller. But these things are pretty hardy. What we're doing, no, we're not hurting the thing. Should you put water to it? Yeah, sure. Are we? No. All right, go ahead. Good.
What are we at?
Says 110.
It's closer to 105. It's actually closer to the first one. That's what I'd say.
Okay.
$110, $115, somewhere around there.
$105. Big 1.6. $105. Okay. $105. 1.6.
So when you're saying 10,
within 10%,
within 10% or 10 psi?
10%.
Percent. Okay. All right. Yeah, these things are dead on, at least so far.
Okay. 108.
Okay.
For a 2-stroke, it's fine.
I think that's good. All right, so a couple of takeaways. 1, lubricated. I know you know you. You're not going to lubricate it, but I can tell you, put some water in there. Within 10% of each other, each cylinder, you should be a good motor.
Right. If the motor is, you got to have above 100 psi.
Above 100 psi within 10%
for these
of each
for
other.
these motors.
For a 2-stroke.
Well, not for. I mean, different manufacturers are different. But this motor right here, after looking out on the Whole Truth, what these old motors, you're fine.
Well, that's a good thing. The Whole Truth, which we'll just link to their main site if you don't know about them, which you probably do, but if you don't, we'll link to them. The Whole Truth is a great resource for finding out your engine and what PSI it should be at. As long as they're all within 10% of each other, you should have a good engine. And we'll also link to some tools and stuff like that you may need to do this if you are looking at buying a boat or buying an engine and making sure that you have a good one. So we'll link to that below. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe. We're gonna put these plugs in. We're gonna need the boat back on the water. in another episode. And we're gonna see how it performs. So we'll see you then.